Hello smart people! Welcome in the sanctuary of Emerald. Why we call this apartment villa like this? Because we have a lot of green jewelry elements. We work for a jewelry company, so we want to make them super glamorous, but in the same time super functional. Let's start from the entrance. It was just a straight wall. We completely open and we made a partition with this Mashrabia petrol green that is so beautiful. Here there is a glass. Why? We want a privacy, but without get rid of the light. Powder room, as you know, our chocolate. Beautiful wallpaper with this very luxury bird and a little crown. Marble, yellow line. Why not be unique? Why always Calcutta gold? WC, classic design. Mirror existing from the client, I use the same. This beautiful wall light and element that really makes the difference. Let's move in the living room that will leave you astonished. Beautiful living room, huge. See the Mashrabia from this part and see the proportion and the line of this beautiful sliding door that again create the privacy without interrupt the light. Here, Mashrabia, bar. This bar is unique. Infinity shape, fluted, space, hidden space, metal part and antique mirror, translucent onyx in order to have the boom. A beautiful chandelier both together with the client, and again, please change window, same level with the outdoor and indoor blend together. A beautiful wall clad with a stone. We clad fully all the fence because, of course, again, practicality. We don't want that the water spoil the full wall. Come in, molding on the wall, and the beautiful idea of Marco of this oval shape for ceiling with a hidden light, because classic is coming back finally. Elegance, and elegant in the heart, elegant in the soul, elegant in the house. So here, come with me. From there, the flow, we can go out from here on this side and we access to the closed kitchen. Here, kitchen in this beautiful taupe color, completely closed, super functional. Granite on the countertop and beautiful pantry. See, hidden space. Now we close the pantry in order to let you see the beauty of this kitchen part with the glass. Here the client, she asked for a close, but in the same time she wants to see the baby sitting on the family. So this beautiful window sliding. Now coming out, see everything, all the detail, the door, molding, glass, everything is studied singularly with the client. We move on the night part of the house where you can immediately see the first guest bathroom, where we play with these beautiful turquoise tiles, all the rest is stone. In this apartment, for the 3 bathroom, we use the same stone and we change with the beautiful future, you know, the technique. And again, the floor of this apartment is this big slab onyx color with touch of yellow gold, but in the bedroom, transition with the chevron. So again, very classic and Parisian. Kids' bathroom is definitely unique. In this house, there is nothing copied by Pinterest. Pinterest copied by us. So tiger tiles coming from Italy. We love them. And space, hidden space on top of the WC. Okay, design, but functionality for us is very important. WC orange, same exact orange from the tiles. I'm so happy that I find out. Again, vanity green, fluted, same green on the shelves. Now let's move in the master bathroom that is the real sanctuary of this house. So we move, and again on the corridor tiles, here walk-in closet, master bedroom, master bathroom, all together here to create a unique ambience. Master bathroom, really the sanctuary of the house. Emerald green tiles that remember in jewelry. Again, vanity green, same green of the kids. Same insert WC, very elegant from color, mixer in this matte gold glow. Here again, this huge big shower, big niche with LED, separate husband and wife. And what I really like here, the bench and hidden space behind the mirror, WC separate with this fluted glass. I'm in love. So please remember, no need open. We're not doing a football soccer. We need the camp. We need something that is well done proportion and well done separate where we need. It's not that the house will look bigger. The house will look bigger if it's well done, rationalized with the right partition. Now we move on the walk-in closet, huge, beautiful walk-in closet, designed for the function of husband and wife, and a few words on the ceiling of the bedroom that is in this beautiful wallpaper that coming from Europe. Believe me, in this wallpaper the quality was exceptional and I can see with my eyes. So I train eyes to understand that sometimes we need to spend where need. And then I will help you to do spend where not need. Plug in this champagne color that really disappear on the wall, super luxury. Here separation with the master, this is fully the master area, and then again corridor. See how beautiful fluid the house. At the entrance you can admire this beautiful irregular shape mirror, and the wall is in the same color of the Mashrabia. So I think really everything blend perfect. Wall light at the entrance of the powder room. The handle is the smart handle, so it was available only in black. And then I help her to play with all the stuff that she brings from abroad. See, we done this together in this velvet, turquoise blue. So nothing here has been copied. I'm so happy and glad to work with my beautiful client, Pooja. Ciao!